Okay guys, today I'm going to show you an easy way to make money with Pinterest and Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And I can confirm that this method actually works. And we are going to use only free tools. We are actually going to make viral videos. Why videos? Because Pinterest likes videos. And that means you will get more impressions, you will get more engagement, and that means you will get more free traffic. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And second thing you need to do, you need to go on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace and you need to see, are there any products in that niche? So here I will simply search, let's say, for example, weight loss, okay? And now I can see there is lots of weight loss related products that I can promote. And I can also go here on second page. Often you can find a good products, even better products here on the second page. So here you can see the smoothie diet. Now this product was actually really hot 2 or 3 years ago, and they have a new massive launch in 2025, and I'm guessing that this product will also be a really good product, and that means if I promote it, I can actually make a good money. So next thing I need to do, I need to make a video. Now first I will go here on ChatGPT, and then here I'm going to give it a prompt. I'm actually going to make an infographic video. So I will say something like this. For example, what are 5 best smoothies to lose weight? And then press enter, okay? And now here you will see ChatGPT is giving me 5 best smoothies to lose weight, okay? Just give it a few seconds to finish this, okay? Here you can see it finished. And now I need to give it another prompt. And I can say something like this, for example, make infographic script, and then again press enter. And now ChatGPT, as you can see, it's writing infographic script because we are actually making video, and that is why I need a script. This looks really good. Okay, so now I need to give it another prompt. So I can say something like this, give me image ideas for this infographic. And then press enter. As you can see, you can literally get everything you need here on ChatGPT. And here you can see ChatGPT is giving me exact description of the images that will give me best results in this infographic video related to smoothies, okay? Here you can see this is how this looks, okay? So now I need to make a video. And for that, I'm going to use Canva. So here I'm on free version of Canva because I told you we are going to use only free tools. And then here I'm going to click on video, okay? And then here I need to choose a mobile video, okay? And now I can create my video. I can start creating my video. So let me just close this. And then here you can see they will give you some templates, okay? So I'm going to click here and then choose food, because smoothies are food. And then I'm going to click here on healthy food, because smoothies are healthy food. And here you can see templates that they're offering you for your video. So for example, let's just say we'll use this one here, okay? Just click on it, and here you can see they created this template. So let's say, for example, I will actually replace some of these images. For example, I will replace this one here. I will also replace this one here. And I will go here on pixels. And then here I will simply search smoothies. Okay, smoothies. And let me just choose some of these smoothies. For example, this one here, this one here. Okay, didn't add it. Okay, I add it now. And I'm going to add, let's say, for example, this one here, and I'm going to add this one here, okay? And here you can see I need to add a title. So here I need to double click and I need to say something like this. So actually let me just make this a bit larger, okay? And here I will add a capital letter, okay? And here you can see, let me just make this larger so you can see it says 5 best smoothies to lose weight. That is the title of my video. So let me just make this smaller. And here you can see this slide is 5 seconds long. I will actually make it to be 4 seconds. And when I go here you can see how this looks. Okay, it's actually really catchy, really good opening scene, but I will shorten it on 3 seconds, okay? And let me just see how this looks now. This is how it looks. So now I need to add my first smoothie. So here you can find smoothies that you actually need. So when I go back here, you can see green detox smoothie, or you can find it on Unsplash, Recteasy, or some other royalty-free website. Okay, I already did that, so let me just go here on uploads, and this is the image. So I will add another slide. This is my smoothie. So I will simply click here on text, and I will click here, and I will add my smoothie. And I will actually make these letters to be white, because black letters on this dark background are almost invisible. Here you can see green detox smoothie, and I will click here on animate, and I'm going to animate. Okay, it's not the best. I will try to find some more. No. Okay, let's leave it with blur. Okay, so now I need to go back here on ChatGPT again, and I will copy ingredients. I'm going to copy this, Control C, go back here, and again go on text, and let me just see, for example, let me just try to find best text style. So let's say, for example, this one. I'm going to delete this because I don't need it, and here I will add this, but I will make it larger, something like this, okay? And here you can see how this looks. Okay, I'm going to move it here. I'm going to click here on effects, and I'm going to add an outline, okay? And I'm going to add a black outline, and I'm going to make this a bit thicker, so to make these letters more visible. And again, I will go here on animate, and I need to find the right animation. So let me just go here. So for example, let's just say, okay, typewriter is the best, so I will click here. And here you can see how this looks. And also I'm going to make this slide 4 seconds. So let me just show you how this looks, okay? But as you can see, there is a sharp transition. So I need to click here to add a smoother transition. So for example, let's just say this all, okay? And let me just see how this looks now. Now it's much better. So now I need to add another slide. So again, I will go here on uploads, and I'm going to drag this image here. And same thing, I will go back here on ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this. Control C, go back here, click on text, add text, headline, okay? And I'm going to make this to be white. So I will click here, white. And I'm going to move that here and go here on effects, go here on outline, click on black in this case, make it thicker. Okay, so now I need to move this here, for example, and I'm going to click on different text style, for example, this one here, and I will go back here and I'm going to copy these ingredients. Okay, Control C, go back here, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to add here, okay? And I'm going to make this larger, something like this, okay? And I'm going to make this to be, these letters to be white, okay? Here you can see how this looks, but I'm going to move it here, and same thing, click here on effects, click here on outline, I'm going to add a black outline, make this thicker, okay? And this is how this looks, okay? And I need to go here on animate, and again, I'm going to use typewriter, okay? And here you can see how this looks. And I'm going to make this also to be 4 seconds. And I'm going to click here to add a transition. Let's say, for example, something like this. No, actually, I'm going to make it like this, okay? So let me just show you how this looks now. As you can see, this actually looks really good. And you need to add all 5 smoothies in this case. Now I made a 5 best smoothies. People like top 5, 5 best, 10 best, top 10 and stuff, videos like that, okay? So I'm always trying to make 5 best this, 5 best that, or top 5 this, top 10 this. Try to make videos like that because people react best on those kind of videos. Now here you can see how this looks. I can also add some audio. Simply, let's say for example, I will choose one of these songs. Let's say for example, this one here, but I'm going to move it here, okay? I'm going to move it here and I'm going to move it like this, okay? So let me show you how this looks now. Okay, as you can see, it is much better with the music. And like I said, you need to add all 5 smoothies in this case, and you need to make this song as long as your video. Try to make slides up to 5 seconds long, okay? So after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on share, and then click here on download, and then click here on download again, and download this to your desktop. After that, all you have to do is just go here on Pinterest, and then click here to create, and then click here, and you need to upload the video that you just created in Canva. Okay, let me find that video that I just created in Canva. So let me find that video. Okay, this is the video. And all I have to do now is just, I need to optimize this. Just add a title that contains your main keyword. Add a description that contains your main keyword. Add a link, preferably to your website or landing page. Avoid adding direct affiliate links, even though you can, but you need to add affiliate disclaimer, okay? Choose the right board, choose the right tags, and after that all you have to do is just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish that video on Pinterest. As you saw, guys, it is really easy to make these videos. You can literally make them in 10 minutes, and you need to upload those videos every day. And like I said, top 5 videos, top 10 videos, top 20 videos, 5 best, 10 best videos. Those kind of videos works the best. They are getting most attention and they are getting most engagement, and you will get most traffic. So as you can see, it is really easy to make money with Pinterest and Digistore24 affiliate marketing in 2025. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.